Hey guys, William Murfitt here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new build series. So welcome to episode 1. This build series is proudly sponsored by Luntstone. Luntstone is a UK independent electrical engineering contractor delivering design, manufacturing, installation, commissioning and maintenance service expertise to a broad range of customers across the industrial, retail, educational and commercial sector. So if you want to find out more about Luntstone, please check out the website link in the description down below. And without further ado, let's get on to today's video. Right, so here we have the next job. Now this is Gareth's engine. And this is a 1275. It's a carb run, it's 1275. So this is pre-injection. So this is pre-SPI, pre-MPI. And I think the car's 1994-ish. I think it's an L-Reg. And it's come to me for a few little bits and pieces. Now, what he's asked is, he's just given it a complete overhaul. The body shell will be coming here very soon. But in the meantime, replace any gaskets, replace anything that's going to be prolonging the life of the car. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to replace the water pump, the head gasket. I'm going to basically rebuild the top end of the head. So valves out, relapped, all cleaned up, new valve stem oil seals, new thermostat gaskets, water pump gasket, and I'll have a oil and filter change. So I'll drain out all the oil, put a new filter on, and then put a new washer on the sump, ready to put the oil back in once it's gone in. New spark plugs. I'm going to put a new clutch in. As you can see, it's looking very, very clean and shiny. Now, when the car comes to me, when the body shell comes to me, it's going to have a lot of metal work done to it. And it's going to go back, and it's all going to get put together, rebuilt, and it's going to look absolutely amazing, because if you think this is good, you wait till you see the rest of the car. So the subframe's been done and everything, and it's looking absolutely spot on. So yeah, super impressed with how it's looking. It's just been given a nice coat of black, and the rocker cover's been done grey. And yeah, it's all looking absolutely great. So that's going to be one of the jobs to do. So that all needs to be done and dusted. I'm just going to put that down on the ground for now. And yeah, that's a bit of work to do. And yeah, we should be getting that done very soon. Put it down. And we have touchdown. Yes, Gareth has a very nice collection of cars, which hopefully, when the weather improves and the lockdowns improve, we'll be able to see more of. So for now, I'm going to leave this here. I'm going to get inside, going to have a look and see what parts to order up, and then go from there. But as it stands at the moment, this is the engine, and these are the jobs we're going to be doing with it. So the majority of the stuff for this build has come from mini spares. There's a few things that haven't because they weren't available, and I'll get to them in a second. First box is a water pump. Now this is the high power, high flow, large impeller water pump with a bypass hose. Now this is a 1275 engine. Now I kind of thought that a lot of the 1275s didn't have a bypass, but this one does. So that's fine by me. So yeah, water pump with the large impeller. We have a new fan belt. 4 new spark plugs. I've got a the gear selector oil seal. This is like the anti-leak one. New rocker cover bolts and washers. A set of 8 MPI styled valve oil stem seals. Now, I've gone for the MPI ones, so they're a lot stronger than the standard. There's a washer. Ah, that is for the plunger. That's a clutch washer. We've got 2 grommets for the rocker cover as well. A fuel pump gasket. A new flywheel bolt. A Kevlar bypass hose. A new thermostat. And then lastly, for mini spares, we've got a Borgenbeck clutch kit. Now this is a later style, so this is the Verto style clutch kit, which is the different from the pre-Verto which I fitted to Luke's. So the clutch plate itself has springs in it to help aid working of it. There is a release bearing. It comes with new bolts, and then the diaphragm and everything is all in one. Now I think it's been a long time since I've done this. Oh, there's a new cap in there as well. It's been a long time since I've done a Verto clutch on a Mini, but I'm pretty sure that you can fit the whole stuff together. So fit all this clutch kit to the flywheel, and then put the whole thing in as one unit. One of the things with Luke's Mini was you had to put the flywheel on and the pressure plate on, and then you had to put the diaphragm on, and it just was a lot of to and fro and faffing and stuff. So yeah, super pleased I've got all this. So the stuff I couldn't get from Mini Spares was the head gasket kit. So the head gasket kit came from MED. Now that's a BK450 kit, new exhaust gasket, new rocker cover gasket, although I'm going to use the one that we have already because it's a silicone style, which I think personally are much better, and it's pretty new as well, so we're going to reuse that one. I have had issues previously with the cork ones not sealing and leaking. I'm going to leave this video here, so hopefully you have enjoyed watching so far. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed the content, please leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you haven't done so already and you do fancy it, please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. That's it from me, and I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy.